project. So I'm going to click on the plus sign and I'll say new file, and I'm going to name it Monday. Okay, now I've created monday.html and I'll save. All I need to do is to open it up, and for you to start writing your code, can you see the inverted V? That's the tag. And I'm going to write head because I want to give it a heading tag. I'm going to write coding. And once I write coding, can you see a play button at the top? Once I click on that play button, it's going to show me what I have written. Are you seeing it?
Yes.
All I need to do is to click on the back arrow and I'll come back and say enter, and I want to start writing the body. I'm going to click on body. Once I click on body, I'll start writing now my paragraph, and I'll click the P. My class has been amazing. Is to play, and you see what I've written. My class has been amazing. Now I want to write a list. I'll come over, I'll open the tag and I'll write my list tag. So for my list, I'll write maybe rice. Okay, I come over, I write another list, Li. So even using a mobile phone is pretty easy. I'll write Li, I'll close it and I'll write yam. Once I save,